let's have a look for this question. Guys, now write down, this is again one of the very important topic. It is called as a reverse mean question. Reverse mean. Remember, this is the example when if I ask you to find the mean of 10 numbers or find the mean of 7 numbers, we add them and we divide by 7 to get the answer. Right, that gives you the answer. Now, this is the reverse mean. Reverse means it's the opposite question. So we need to do the opposite way. So first of all, we are going to write down number. In this one, we got 8 parcel. And the mean weight is, what is the mean of this one? What is the mean of 8 parcel is 2.5 kg. Then we got mean weight of 3 parcel, that is 2 kg. And they want us to work on the mean weight of 5 parcel, which we need to work. This is what we need to find. Okay. Now, any idea, guys? Can anyone answer me how we can work backward to find the total weight? Go on, try total weight. Remember, I told you if we do find the mean, we divide by 7. Zara, any idea what we can do in order to do this one? Go on. So we can do 2.5 times by, go on. Any idea, Zara?
I don't know.
Okay, so we used to divide it. Now we are going to times by 8. So 2.5 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40. We carry the 4.